The idea of eliminating grades and replacing them with feedback is an intriguing one, and it's an approach that has gained popularity in recent years. The concept is simple. Instead of assigning lettered grades or numerical scores to students, teachers would provide feedback on their performance, highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. One of the main benefits of this approach is that it would shift the focus from competition and comparison to learning and growth. When students are focused on earning good grades, they may feel pressure to outdo their peers, rather than focusing on their own learning. By providing feedback instead of grades, teachers can help students develop a growth mindset, where they see challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Another benefit of this approach is that it would provide students with more meaningful and actionable feedback. When teachers provide feedback, they can offer specific suggestions for improvement, rather than simply assigning a grade. This can help students understand what they need to work on, and how to improve their performance. In addition, eliminating grades could help to reduce stress and anxiety for students. When students are focused on earning good grades, they may feel overwhelmed and stressed, especially if they're struggling or feeling like they're not meeting expectations. By providing feedback instead of grades, teachers can help students feel more relaxed and focused on their learning. Some schools and districts have already implemented this approach, with promising results. For example, the district in San Francisco, California, has eliminated grades for students in grades K-5, replacing them with feedback and self-assessment. The district has reported a significant decrease in stress and anxiety among students, as well as an increase in student engagement and motivation. Similarly, the school in New York City, the Bronx High School of Science, has eliminated grades for students in grades 9 to 12, replacing them with feedback and self-assessment. The school has reported an increase in student motivation and engagement, as well as a decrease in stress and anxiety. Of course, there are also some potential challenges to consider. One of the main concerns is that it could be difficult to assess student learning and progress without grades. Additionally, some students may struggle with the lack of clear expectations and goals, and may need additional support and guidance. Despite these challenges, many educators and experts believe that eliminating grades and replacing them with feedback is a promising approach. By focusing on feedback and self-assessment, teachers can help students develop a growth mindset, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve their overall learning experience. In conclusion, eliminating grades and replacing them with feedback is an innovative approach that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about student assessment and feedback. While there are certainly challenges to consider, the benefits of this approach are significant, and it's an idea that is worth exploring further.